Drawing vectorization is optimized to extract vector drawing elements from scans of old drawings even in poor condition, such as plant cadastral maps or old heliocopies. I select an imported image and choose the Vectorize Drawing command. From the menu Transform, or from the icon on the palette at the top, in this case it is a very clear and clean technical drawing. The vectorization window opens with the original image on the left and the vectorized drawing on the right. A series of parameters below allow you to optimize the final result. The minimum area of the fragments allows us to exclude from the result all the smaller fragments of this area. It's used to remove what's not needed, but it could also make useful parts disappear. By changing the value, I immediately see the result. The minimum segment length parameter operates in a similar way. Shorter segments are eliminated. However, this could exclude elements such as texts, which are composed of small strokes. Shortening the value, the texts appear. Very small values of the minimum segment distance increase the detail, but may cause parts that are not needed or that represent background noise to be included in the result. Large values of the minimum area can make entire pieces of drawing disappear. The sensitivity slider is used to identify a threshold value between the drawn part and the background. With a very clean design like this, we can tender low sensitivity. Very high sensitivity values can detect virtually non-existent differences with poor results. For a drawing like this, it is best to keep a low sensitivity value. By clicking OK, the vectorized drawing is inserted into the active window inside a movable and editable group. The vectorized design can be modified via the DWGDXF layers command. The drawing be transferred to the current layer, as if it had been drawn. Let's now look at a more problematic example, an old land registry map with a yellowish and irregular background and a drawing with little contrast. We can optimize the result by changing the minimum area of the fragments and the minimum length of the segments. In this type of images, it is important to identify the sensitivity threshold value that gives the best result. Moving the sensitivity slider changes the way. With here, DigiCad 3D interprets the drawing and a background with imperfections. Like the one on the old cadastral map. High sensitivity values can introduce elements that belong to the background noise of the image. Low values can remove clear lines. Any drawing elements that derive from the non-uniform and colored background can be removed by acting on the parameter of the minimum fragment area. By clicking OK, the vectorized drawing is displayed on the DigiCad 3D window, exactly superimposed on the original map. I move the image to see the drawing better. The drawing is placed in a group, as when importing a DVG, and can be moved as a whole by taking it by the handle at the top left. Elements can be modified. The drawing can be exported in many formats, such as DWG or DXF.